got some special build. You want to check it out? Come on, let's go over here. So, Justin, you've met?
Hi.
And this is the designer,
yes,
right?
Yes, this is Ken.
Hey, Ken, how's it going? All right, great. So, tell us a little bit about this.
What do you want to know?
I mean, this is crazy.
Yeah.
This is one of these, again, concept
Signature cases. Yes.
This is demoed at, of course, CES.
We're actually planning to make a couple, like at least 20 units, I think. We have enough for 20 units and maybe a Pro. Right?
Okay.
Like that, yeah.
And, right, first of all, tell us about this actual chassis itself. You told me earlier that this thing right here
Stainless steel.
is stainless steel. Look how polished it is. It's like a mirror. So the front is stainless steel.
Any side you can't see through is stainless steel. So 1, 2, 3.
At the back, okay.
And
wow.
Back here. The whole back side.
All right, so this back side right here, okay, 1, 2, 3,
and then 4,
5
yeah.
panels are stainless steel, polished stainless steel. Amazing. And then the rest is tempered glass.
Yes.
But look how, like, it's like a polygon.
It's like we like to think of it as like a bit of a meteorite, sort of like coming from the future, right?
And what is this called? What have you called?
This is the InWin AEON.
AEON, that's
AEON, yeah.
AEON, that's what you're going to call it. Okay. Yes. All right, and tell me what's the spec of this thing here, right?
So we've got Intel Core Ultra 9. We've got the ROG Maximus Z890 Hero back BTF board.
Right.
We've got a 5080 from NVIDIA, of course, back there, and then the T-Force RGB.
Yeah.
8 gigabytes times 4, so 32 gigabytes, and then we also have the T-Force SSD.
SSD in there.
Yeah.
And then this is water cooled.
Yes.
So we have a display
by Bits Power. Yes.
Bits Power.
Yes.
Okay, and the tubing and all this chrome tubing.
And then
very
of
nice.
course we're using our own fans, the Lynx fans, and the InWin Power supplies.
Right.
Yes. And then this build was put together for us by AK Mods.
Oh, AK Mods.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So you got the designer right here. You got InWin as the maker of the case, and then of course modded by AK Mod. Of course, he's well known.
Yeah. Put it together the internal stuff for us.
This is on the base. It's just made up for, especially for this to demo the.
We got a little screen for everything.
There.
There's actually a button right now. Unfortunately, Windows isn't installed right now, but if you did hit the button, then you could see like internal specs like CPU temp, sort of stuff.
Right. On
so
okay.
yeah, unfortunately we don't have any like OS installed. So you
there's something special about this case, right?
Yeah.
Tell me about it. What happens?
Of course, we do like to have things open up. So let me just show you with our little RFID card here.
All right.
Just put it
Tap
down.
it.
There you go.
All right. Something will happen. Oh, it's activated. Check it out. This whole back panel comes down, motorized. Yeah, look at that. That's just look at this hydraulic system right here.
Yeah. We got both on both sides, so you know.
So of course this is heavy. It's got to be heavy, right?
It's got its own power supply for that.
Own power supply just for this.
Yes. You see that brick back there? Yeah.
Oh, what's that? That's just crazy. All right, so you got everything. You can see the motherboard right there. Perfect. Graphics card. Then you got the RAM, of course, RAM there. The bits power water cooling components, distro plate, and of course the radiator there with the fans from InWin there. This whole thing, look at this. Is it 1300 watt?
Yes.
1300 watt power supply at the back there. So again, stainless steel. You can see check it out. That's the other reverse side, which is non-polished. You can see that, and this is the polished stainless steel, right? You can see amazing how it's done there. Great. All right, so then you press the button again, whatever, and it shuts.
Just place the card back in. Lights will start flashing.
Wow.
Back it goes.
That is. I don't know why InWin makes some crazy signature cases. Unbelievable.
For the love of the game.
Look at that. Amazing. Right. That's just crazy. All right, so limited run. What are you expecting in numbers?
Right now, we are thinking 20.
20 pieces. Wow. All right, 20 pieces of the signature case. So it's almost come to a point where each event you have a signature case.
Yes.
Like CES one, and you have Computex another one. Are you thinking planning a Computex one?
We are gonna see if we have enough time for the Computex one, because usually we only do one for both that we display first at Computex and then CES back in the day before COVID and everything. And then because of our 40th anniversary, we had our Chronomancy case, which we saw at Computex, and now because it's CES, we have this as well.
Yeah.
So it's a little bit short in the time frame, so maybe not at Computex, but we'll see.
Yeah.
Gotta keep some surprises, right?
That's true. It's true. If you need more manpower to help you build one, I'm available. All right. So yeah, look at this. The InWin AEON signature case there. Amazing build from AK Mod, but designed by Ciao, yeah, okay, and of course, Justin, thank you very much for your time.
Yes.
And InWin in signature case, AEON.